butterfly without any props first. And again, I prefer using props for this one, but I'm just going to show you without any props first. So you sit with your legs out front first, or ignore me, it's entirely to you. Right, brilliant. So you sat in your ball. Bring both feet in together so the soles of the feet are together. Let the knees just fall out to the side. Try not to have the heels too close to the groin. And then chin to chest. On a breath out, sink your spine forward, drape the head forward. If you prefer to do it without props, that's fine, but bear in mind, we're trying to take as much muscles out of the body as we can, as much using muscles to hold ourselves in position. We're trying to take them out of it, which is where the props come in handy. If you're prone to sciatica, and purely from a comfort point of view as well, you may prefer a block under your bum. I prefer, as Tanya's doing now, a bolster or some sort of support, so that these aren't having to work, the back muscles aren't having to work holding the spine in place. It's not muscles we're aiming at with the yin, exclusively. You may choose, depending on what hip mobility is like or lack of, you may prefer to put some blocks underneath the knees or thighs. But the most important thing is, as time goes by, maybe you don't need the blocks, maybe you can alter where you have the blocks, maybe you don't need so many props, maybe you can sink into it a bit more. Always check in with the body, so whatever version you prefer to do. Rule number 1, gentle persuasion of the body. We're just after a mild, gentle discomfort. After a minute or so, that might ease off and you can sink into it more. You will find, will you not, that with every breath you find you go deeper and deeper into a peaceful, relaxed feeling. Feeling the peace and quietness, hearing and listening only my voice and the sounds that are around you. Is this not so relaxing, so peaceful? And this is the place you know you want, do you not? This is your place, your special place for relaxing, for being calm, for being peaceful. When you go there, you sleep peacefully. You relax so utterly, completely. Your thoughts are calming. Your worries and anxieties just evaporate, vaporize. They leave out through your breath as you breathe out. Deeper and deeper. And the more you feel free, the more rested you become. And as you sit there, sinking deeper into an even deeper state of calmness, of relaxation, quiet, peaceful and still. Quiet, peaceful and still. That's the description of what your mind possesses at all times. Your thoughts, you may find, will no longer be plagued with memories from the past. Or lists of what you need to do for the future. As with all our poses in yin, you are to stay in this present, in the here and in the now. Calm and quiet. Slowly come out of the pose. And as soon as you come out of any pose, just listen to your body. What is your body naturally telling you to do?